no gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Okay, so we're doing a Dollar General 5 off of 25 all digital scenario. Okay, so everybody keeps saying they need baby deals, baby deals. I guess there's a lot of love making going on right now, but they all asking for baby deals. So this is what I came up with. We're gonna get the Love's diapers for $6.50. We're gonna get the Love's white for $1.80. The Drif detergent, which is $9. The Aleve back and muscles, which is $4.25, and the Motrin medicine, which is $4. So I'm looking out for y'all right now, because you will have back problems, you know, muscles problem, headaches and everything right now. So I'm looking out. So you'll see what deal that we came up with using these getting these items. Okay, so the coupons you need to click for this deal is your 5 off of 25, your $3 off for the Aleve back and muscles, your $2 off for the Drif detergent, and that's some high detergent, by the way. I just want to throw that out there. The $3 off for the Motrin, the $2.50 for the Love's diapers, and the 50% off the Pampers or Love's wipes. It do say or Love's, so I just want to make sure y'all see that. Okay, so all that gonna equal up to $25.55. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $20.55. $2.50 gonna come off. That's a Love exclusive coupon. If you don't have that coupon, you might can use the dollar one, because the Dollar Digital also Love coupon up there. Anyway, that's $18.05. 50% gonna come off for the Love's white, make it $17.55. $2 gonna come off for the Drif detergent, make it $15.55. $3 gonna come off for the Aleve back and muscles, make it $12.55. $3 gonna come off for the Motrin, making $9.55 for 5 items, making each of these items $1.91, which I feel like it's an amazing deal. Just look at it that you just paid for the Drif detergent and everything that's for free. That's how I'm gonna look at it, because that Drif is high. I don't mean no harm. But just go ahead and get to the next deal. Okay, so this is our all digital scenario number 2. So let's see what we came up with. So for this one, we're gonna get Pampers for all those bougie babies, you know. Everybody got the bougie babies. I came up with a pamper deal. Just in case you said we don't do Loves, my baby need the best. Need gold. So we want Pampers. Okay, so we're gonna get 1 Pamper wipes. That is $2. The Pamper diapers, which is $10, the Drif detergent, which is $9, and the Essential Vitamins, which is $5, because you're going to need something to boost up your energy, because you have this baby now, so you need something that, you know, for your energies and stuff and everything. So let's see what kind of, how breakdown going to be for these items. Okay, so for the coupons you need to click for this is your 5 off of 25, your $4 off for the Essential Vitamins, your $2 off for the Pamper, your $2 off for the Drif detergent, and your 50% off for the Pamper wipes. All of this going to equal up to $26. That 5 off of 25 going to come off, make it $21. The $2 off for the Pamper diapers, I'm going to make it $19. 50% going to come off for the Pamper wipes, make it $18.50. $2 going to come off for the Drif detergent, make it $16.50. $4 going to come off for the Essential Vitamins, make it $12.50 for 4 items, making each item only $4.16, and the wipes are free, which I still feel like is a decent deal, because when you look at it, that you getting Pampers is more expensive. The Drif by itself is $9, so I feel like it's still a good deal to me. If you brand loyal, this is a great deal to me. So anyway, just come up with another baby deal, then we're gonna do our regular 5 off of 25. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're doing our all digital scenario number 3. Okay, so for people to say, okay, I don't do Pamper and I don't do Loves, I'm that Huggy chick, I do Huggies. Here is a Huggies deal for you, okay? So this deal right here, you're gonna get a Huggies diapers that is $7.50, a Huggy white, which is $2, the Drif detergent, which is $9, Arm & Hammer Pod, which is $3.95, and the big razors, which is $2.85. So let's see what kind of deal and our breakdown for this deal. Okay, so the coupons that you're going to have to clip on this deal, it's your 5 off of 25, your $2 off for the Drif detergent, your $2 off for the Big Razor, your $3 off for the Arm & Hammer pods, your $1 off for the Huggies diapers, your 50% off for the Huggies wipes. Okay, so all of that going to equal up to $25.30. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $20.30. The $1 for the Huggies diapers gonna come off, make it $19.30. 50 cents gonna come off for the Huggies white, make it $18.80. $2 gonna come off for the Drif detergent, make it $16.80. $3 gonna come off for the Arm & Hammer pods, make it $13.80. $2 gonna come off for the Big Razor, make it $11.80 for 4 items, making each item only $2.95, and the wipes are free. I feel like that is a great deal for you getting the Drif detergent, because just look at it like this. If you don't get the Drif detergent and you get something else in the place of that, your total probably be way cheaper. You can switch that Drif detergent out and get a Aleve back and muscle and what else? Aleve back and muscle and a Motrin and probably a gum or something, and your total will be way cheaper than this. But I just wanted this to be a whole baby deal, so I'm just throwing. You don't have to copy exactly what I got. I'm just doing it this way because it's very rare when you can get Drif for real cheap, you know. So that's why I'm doing it this way, okay? So now let's go ahead and get to the regular 5 off of 25 scenarios. I just wanted to show you some baby deals because everybody have been inboxing me asking me, can I come up with some baby deals? It must be a lot of love making right now. But anyway, just go ahead and get with the rest of our deals. Alright, so we are doing our all digital scenario number 4. Okay, so for this scenario, of course, you know, I had to put paper products somewhere in there. So I decided to put paper products in this scenario. Again, you do not have to get the exact same thing. This is just an idea of how you can use some of these good. They gave us a lot of good digital this week, so you can get a lot of the things you need for dirt cheap. Okay, so for this deal, I'm going to do the Charmin. I'm getting the Charmin tissue, which is $4.95. The Sparkle paper towel, which is $5. The Arm & Hammer pods, which is $3.95. The Big Razor, which is $2.85. The Central Vitamin, which is $5. The Aleve Back and Muscles, which is $4.25. Okay, so let's see what breakdown we can come up with for all these items. Okay. Okay, so for this scenario, you need to clip your 5 off of 25, your $2 off for the Big Razor, your $4 off for the Central Vitamins, your $3 off for the Aleve Back and Muscle, your $3 off for the Arm & Hammer pods, your $1 off for the Sparkle paper towels, and your 25-cent off for the Charmin. I'm real mad at the 25-cent, okay, because they were being very petty right then with that 25-cent. But anyway, all of that going to equal up to $26. That 5 off of 25 going to come off, make it $21. The $1 going to come off for the Sparkle paper towels, make it $20. 25-cent going to come off for the Charmin, make it $19.75. $3 going to come off for the Arm & Hammer pods, make it $16.75. $3 going to come off for the Aleve Back and Muscles, make it $13.75. $2 going to come off for the Big Razor, make it $11.75. $4 going to come off for the Central Vitamins, make it $7.75 for 6 items, making each item only $1.29, which I feel is a great deal for you to begin paper products. Under $10, I will take that. So anyway, I hope y'all like this deal. Again, you do not have to copy my deal. You can just take from it and make it your own. I cannot stress that enough. You can just make these deals your own. So let's get to the next deal. Okay, so now we're doing our all digital scenario number 5. Yes, I'm on the road with these scenarios today. Okay, so for this one, we're doing the game deal. Now, I'm not going to do this game deal because I don't think it's the best deal. All digital, I feel like we had gotten better deals, but it's a okay deal, okay? So for this right here, you're going to need, we're going to get the 51 load, the 51 count game pods, which is $13.50. We're going to get a $2 Gain dish detergent, the 21.6 ounce, that's $2. We're going to get a 38 ounce Gain dish detergent, which is $3. We're going to get a Gain fabric sheet, the 34 count, which is $2. And then we're going to get a Central Vitamin, which is $5. Okay, so let's see what deal we're going to come up with getting these items. Okay, so for this transaction, the coupon that you need to clip is your 5 off of 25, your 5 off of 20 for the Gain on Senate products, your $1 off of 2 for your Gain dish detergent. You cannot get that 10% more one. Do not get that one because this coupon do not work on that. Your $4 off for the Central vitamins, and your $2 off for the Gain Flean 51 count or higher. I guess just 51 count. Okay, now people have said that $2 off Gain Flean coupon do attach to the regular Gain Flean ones, the one that's like the 14 to 16 count. I didn't try it yet. I don't know. You can try it on your own risk, but I just got the item that is stated on the coupon just to be on the safe side. Okay, so anyway, all those items gonna equal up to $25.50. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $20 to make it $20.50. The 5 off of 20 for the Gain products gonna come off, make it $15.50. $2 gonna come off for the Gain Flean, make it $2 gonna come off for the Gain Flean, make it $13.50. The $1 off of 2 gonna come off for the Gain dish detergent, make it $12.50. $4 gonna come off for the Central Vitamin, make it $8.50 for 5 items, making each item only $1.70. So I feel like that's a good deal. I won't do it because I feel like we had gotten Gain so much cheaper, but I'm putting this, in equation with this. That probably not even a good statement. But anyway, I'm putting this in the fact that just this Gain Flean by itself, this 51 count Gain Flean by itself is $13.50. And we get our total down to $8.50. A lot of people like the container. So maybe this will be a good deal for you. So let's get to the next deal. Alright, so this is our all digital scenario number 6. Yes. It seems like it's no end to these scenarios today. But this is a Tide deal, all digital. For everybody, if I do a Gain deal, I got to do a Tide deal. So, you can get the Tide detergent, which is $4.95. The Downy fabric softener, which is $4. The Central Vitamins, which is $5. The Big Razor, which is $2.85. The Arm & Hammer Pods, which is $3.95. The Aleve Back and Muscle, which is $4.25. Okay? So these are the items that you need to get. Just see what the breakdown is and what we're going to do with these items. Okay, so the coupons that you need to clip, it's your 5 off of 25, your $3 off for the Aleve Back and Muscles, your $3 off for the Arm & Hammer Pods, your $2 off for the Big Razor, your $4 off for the Central Vitamins, your $1 off for the Downy Fabric Softener, and your $2 off for the Tide detergent. Okay, so all of that is going to equal up to $25. Your 5 off of 25 going to come off, make it $20. Your $2 off for the Tide detergent going to come off, make it $18. Your $1 going to come off for the Downy Fabric Softener, going to make it $17. $4 going to come off for the Central Vitamin, make it $13. $3 going to come off for the Aleve Back and Muscles, make it $10. $3 going to come off for the Arm & Hammer Pods, make it $7. $2 going to come off for the Big Razors, make it $5. $5 for 6 items, making each item only 83 cents, which I feel is amazing. So, woo! Let me see if I got any more left in me, because I think I got another scenario. So I hope you like this scenario. I got one more bonus scenario to do. Okay? Okay, so here is our bonus all digital scenario that I came up with. This is the last one, y'all. Okay, so this one is just a personal one that I need. So I'm going to get the Arm & Hammer Pods, which is $3.95. The Central Vitamins for my mom, which is $5. The Aleve Back and Muscles for myself for $4.25. The Motrin for myself, $4. Because like I said, those kids, God Jesus, you need prayer and medicine. And 3 of the Rice Krispie treats for my kids. which is $2.50 each. Okay, so let's see what kind of deal that we can come up with these items. Okay, so for this deal, the coupons that you need to clip is your 5 off of 25, your $3 off for the Motrin medicine, your $3 off for the Leave Back and Muscle, your $1 off of 3 for the Rice Krispies treats, your $4 off for your Central Vitamins, and the $3 off for your Arm & Hammer pods. So all that gonna equal oh, and also you would have to get a gum. Okay, I almost forgot. You need to get a gum to get to your total. Okay, so all that gonna equal up to $25.05. Your 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $20.05. Your $1 off of 3 for the Rice Krispies treat gonna come off, make it $19.05. $4 gonna come off for the Central Vitamins, make it $15.05. $3 gonna come off for the Arm & Hammer pods, make it $12.05. $3 gonna come off for the Leave Back and Muscle, make it $9.05. $3 gonna come off for the Motrin, make it $6.05 for 8 items, making each item only 75 cents, which I feel like is a great price. Now, like I always say, you do not have to copy my deal. You do not have to do the exact same thing. This is just an example or an ideal of what you can do and how you can, make a deal for yourself, And don't mind me because I hyped up on coffee and I sat there and drank a coffee and drank a tea. So I think I'm hyped up on too much sugar and caffeine. But anyway, so anyway, I hope y'all like these deals. Everything gonna be in the Google Doc. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, and do all those things that people tell you to do at the end of the video. And thank you for all my teen shorties that is sticking with me. And I think that's it. I hope y'all like these deals then, because I just was on the roll. I could have made several more deals. And yes, I use a whole lot of coupons that I use in the... I use them over and over again because these are the main coupons that will get your total low. You do not have to get the razors and everything. We have so many good coupons, and I just want you to know that you can make a great deal. So just, test the waters and, use some of these high value coupons to get your total low. Okay? Anyway, bye.